Hi, welcome back to Shawnee Hills Workshop. I apologize for all the noise and the beeping in the background. We are on an active construction site here, so there's nothing I can really do about it. But if you see behind me here, I've got a huge red oak tree, and this is one of 7 that this park is taking down. Now, I'm in a city park a few counties from where I live, and they have basically told me that if I can haul these off, I can have them. So if you see, there are 3 really huge logs. I'm gonna guess over 24-inch diameter each, and then several more that are in the 10 to 15-inch range. So that's gonna be awesome. And there's another tree they've already got down. I'll show you. It doesn't look as in a good a shape, but it's still a lot of wood. And as I said, they've got 7 total. So I'm not gonna be able to video as much as I typically do here, but what I'm gonna do is set the video camera off to the side and see if my arch can lift these big heavy logs. This is gonna be, it's gonna be testing it. So I'll probably try to get a couple big ones up in first, and then if I can get those on, try to load a bunch of the little ones on top of it. So let's see what we can get loaded up, and let's have at it.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walk to the water for a last goodbye. He begs so much, he clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger, and long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me on down. Well, I sank flat body by the riverbank, caught a boat sail, took off like a hurricane. With spotlights, dogs, yeah, the whole 9 yards of breathing down my neck and breathing hard. 2 weeks in a wild chase across the highways, mountains over 7 states. Found a man at the harbor, said that he could take me across the ocean somewhere far away.
Stay back, okay, bud?
Lord, forgive me.
Just a little bigger one.
Take me on down the river where the kids can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can cry out, 'cause I done wrong. Down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger, and before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down.
Whew. I think that's the first time I've been nervous.
But take me on down.
Wow, that was exciting, exhausting. It was a lot of things. Some maintenance workers here at the park rolled up and sit and watched, and nothing like being watched when you're doing something that's a little bit different than what you've done in the past. That's about as big as log as I'm going to pick up with that winch and that arch. Unless I reinforce the hook where I double back the winch cable, that'll be as big as I go. And honestly, there's no reason for me to go any bigger. I don't plan on having a mill big enough to mill that, so this will be more than enough for me. Whew. That was exciting. It's starting to rain, so I'm gonna have to put the camera up real quick, but as soon as it stops, I'll get y'all back out here. All right, well, the rain finally stopped. It wasn't raining hard, it was just enough to be annoying, and I don't want my camera out in that. But we got the first 2 big logs, the butt log and the log right above it, loaded. Now I'm gonna switch up to the smaller logs at the top of the tree, leave the middle section, because I know I can't get it up on there, but I might be able to get some of these small logs. I'm also, it's going to be a good chance for me to see how my snatch block system works. Hopefully the chain's holding the arch down and it'll lift the log up to the snatch block and then start pivoting so it'll get high enough to get over top of these logs. It's higher than I should ever have to get up because typically I'll only have a 18 to 24 inch log. This is a 37 inch log on the right and then about a 32 inch log on the left. So we'll see if it works. I don't know.
I'm too afraid to share my fears with you. Although I know there ain't no safer place than here with you, my love. I've kept them locked up.
Sorry, I might put you up at training again.
Can't we try this another day? Honey, I'm just so afraid. Break the lock on the door if I won't let you in. Shattering glass on the floor just to show me you ain't playing around. Letting me stay in my head alone, 'cause I've been hidden away, unwilling and unknown for so long now. Promise me you won't turn away. Don't put it off for another day. Honey, don't let me stay in my head alone.
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't excited. By the time I get all these logs, I should be able to build the equipment shed I'm wanting to build. I'm wanting to build a shed that I can park, my old trucks in and the dump trailer and any other equipment that I want to keep in out of the rain. I like my stuff sitting out of the sun and out of the rain. Well, if you like these kind of videos, hit that thumbs up button. If you don't like these kind of videos, hit the thumbs down button. Either way, leave me a comment telling me why so I can try to get better. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you click that subscribe button. And if you'd like to get notified every time I put out a new video, hit the bell for notifications. Still got a lot more work to go. No time to be tired yet.